Good evening. From a raid culture to review and train and tell us what to do, what not to do. Here's Bangalore City Police for you, the new Bangalore City Police, which believes in doing the best for the industry. And from NRAI, National Restaurant Association of India, we believe in cooperating with the cops, looking into women's safety, looking into crowd management, looking into fire management. We want the best. Hand in hand, we will make Bangalore New Year celebrations the best.
Yes. What are the main directions the Commissioner has given, sir?
Mostly it is women's safety, public gathering safety, ensure that no nuisance happens. And any problem inside, cops have assured us that the best of support would be given, which is a very good thing. It's a two-way conversation which went off very nicely. Absolute kudos and thank you to Bangalore Police.
Are you satisfied with the meeting?
Absolutely. Wonderful top brass, wonderful advice, and they did listen to our problems also. Thank you again.
Your name, sir?
Anant Narayan.
With the designation?
I am the National Restaurant Association of India, Bangalore chapter. And here's our complete team.